Okay, so here I have a parking sensor kit which I'm going to use for reverse parking sensors on my Honda Civic Type R. I know it's a small car, but it's handy for reversing and parking in the night time when you've got a tight driveway, or otherwise if you've got a bigger car, or if you have tinted windows and you can't see through the rear screen. So this is £12.95 from eBay. So I thought I'd give it a go. It comes with 4 of these parking sensors, which you could choose what colour you wanted. Obviously I went for black because I have a Nighthawk black Civic. And there's the 4th one. Long enough wires. You have the main kind of unit that everything gets plugged into. So you've got A, B, C and D for the 4 sensors. You've got the power for this power cable, which has a black and a red. The black you need to ground, and the red it says to install on in the reverse light. And then you've got the alarm or the buzzer, which you can stick somewhere where you're going to hear it. Haven't decided where I'm going to put that yet. You've got 4 rings here which help the sensors, each sensor, to sit from a better position or a better angle. I haven't worked these out. It looks like they come in different thicknesses or different slants. You get a drill bit as well, which cuts the perfect size hole for each sensor in your rear bumper. Looks fairly strong, quite surprised for a kit that's only just over £10. And you've got a few instructions here. Troubleshooting. And some more basic instructions on how to install. So I'm installing the wireless type here. Fairly simple. There is a video type as well, if you have a screen and a camera, or otherwise you can get a LED display, which you've probably seen if you've had a search on eBay. So what I'm going to do is test them first to make sure they work before I start drilling into my bumper, and then we can take the bumper off and give it a go and install it.
Hey you. Yeah, you. Do you like this video? There is a button. It's a very sexy button. It says subscribe on it. I wish I could click on it, but YouTube won't let me. Damn fuckers.